Hey guys, Spencer Strike here, and I think I fixed the sound in this video. This is not going to be a PvP video, or this time at least. Yeah, this is going to be a grief video. Yeah, I'm going to grief this dude. You will have nothing left. I grief on the server. I'm going to be swearing. Yeah, like everyone's PvPing right now. So, give me a second. Just dump some junk. And now I'm going to get my good stuff out. Right. I think I don't have it anyways. So yeah, now this guy, yeah, will have no house. This is every house, you don't get a house anymore. Because, okay, the funny thing about this guy is, I griefed him before, left a sign saying I said it, I did it, and he completely didn't believe I griefed. And that was before I had my own YouTube channel, which is kind of new, so. Yeah, so I'm gonna grief. One second, guys. I'm back. Okay. So yeah, I didn't really do it. My dog was still upset over something. And there he goes jumping off the sofa. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna be... And yeah, I'm gonna leave him. Yeah. Guys, if you know I grief, I know a lot of people don't like when people grief, but yeah, that's what I do. I just grief. I just think it's fun. And you will have no house left. And I have access to /flies, because I am a higher rank. Ew, a beacon! It's not yours anymore. Actually, probably should be looting him. I don't need that, I don't need that. I'm gonna keep all his heads though. My headshot collection. And I'm about to take stacks. Tesla gold, don't need that. Aha, that's me. What the heck? Kill it. And he's gonna have it. Fail. Okay, now I'm just gonna steal these heads because I need them. I usually dig up his plot to see if there's anything under there, but I usually do find stuff. I agree. I'm assuming there's gonna be something right down here. As I said, I was right. Oh yeah, this is his old plot, I forgot. Ha! He didn't clear his plot! If I was him, I would make a fort down there. Yeah, and like not like I'm gonna keep. I just look through the stuff to see anything I want. I usually don't need most of it. Then I just give it all away. The rest. I don't know whose head this is. There are a couple of these guys' heads. Who is this? Is that Pete? No, it's not. Borax? No. People. No. It's a Bloody Hunter? Yeah, it's 40 hunter. That doesn't be that pays a decent amount of money for one of these. So I want to keep them so I can sell them. Even though I'm completely loaded. I don't care. Just grab these heads and then go back to the briefing. Because I came to grief. Eventually, I plan on making a parody. I'm thinking about calling it. I came to grief. Oh my God! What have I done? Mushrooms have inhabited. I must free this land and of this polluted stuff, so the mushrooms may roam free. The Shermies, you will roam free again. You will not have to stand on this hell brick. I consider it hell brick. That's what it is. It's hell brick. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause I ripped it all up, yeah. I didn't say anything there. Yeah, 'cause I came to grief. You can't stop me now. I'm gonna grief it all. You can't stop it. It will be griefed it. I will not stop till it is grief. I came to grief it all along. He didn't even suspect it at all. 'Cause I came to grief it with my knife. And then I grief, ow my. I don't know what just happened. I came to grief all along. And then I griefed it all. Yeah, now it is all good griefed. Now you are stuck in here. I grieve. I grieve. I grieve. I grieve. I grieve. I don't know why I play prison if I really want to grieve. Should be playing factions, but I don't feel like finding the server. Anyway, yeah, if any of you got like really good faction server, tell me. I like factions. I like I like getting into a good faction, and then just and then I just like, and then I use like them having skills and like power stuff. I eventually get mad and I can just run around greeting everyone, looting, raiding. They have nothing. Don't know why.